Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back again with another unboxing video. Today, we are unboxing the drone Avoid Obstacles. MSRP of $299.99. You've seen this all over the place. I think you probably seen it all over TikTok, maybe all over Temu. Check it out. The drone Avoid Obstacles. We're going to unbox this baby. This is brand new in the box, but I actually have 4 more of these. I'm keeping this one, so that's why I'm doing the unboxing video on it. This is going to be mine. But definitely check out the link in the description. I got a great deal. I got 4 more left. Make sure you get that great deal. Everyone that's watching this video, it's got a special deal going on that link. So cop it up. I think it's like $10 off the normal price. So definitely get it from off this video. If you're watching this video, you got a special hookup in the link in the description. I got 4 more of these. But let's unbox this baby. I'll show you exactly what's inside of it. Brand spanking new. Boom. We're gonna take the wrapper off this baby. All the other ones I have are just like this, sealed. But like I say, this one is mine. So let's get this baby unboxed. Open it up. Let me see. Oh, okay, I see. This way right here. See, we got that right there. It avoid obstacle drains. So let's pop this up real quick. It just, ooh yeah, I like real slow motion montage. Actually, this is in real life. Boom, open that up. First thing you'll see that. You take that off, the little padding. And of course, you have the instruction manual here. Definitely want to read this. Because, you know, if you're familiar with the drones, you know, you have to set it up and you have to balance it out. You have to get the, you know, so where it's not drifting on you. Also, here's another little pamphlet here. This looks like this is in a foreign language, so we want that. Inside, you see this nice little packaging. Inside, you have your clips that go on the side for if you should crash or bump into anything. These are your bumpers in here. As you can see, these are going to go on the side of it right here, the little bumpers. You have a charging cable, USB, and you have a screwdriver. Then you have extra parts there, right there. Next up, you have the remote control here. So you just bring that out. There's your remote control right there. On and off button. You can go up and down. You can do flips. You can hit that and do flips. Here's your controllers, and on the back here you just open this up, and this is where you put three AA batteries right there. Now, I could probably show you this while I got it. Inside here, these are where the little bumpers go. So these 2 things right here, if you can see that, they'll go right here, and then this will go right here. So if it looks like you didn't have any bumpers, so now you have that, and there's your control. Little button, plastic. It don't look too heavy. You know, little plastic there. Control. These are your little antennas. There's your screw. Oh yeah, it comes with a little screw. So once you put your batteries in, you can lock that with the little screw right there. Next. Oh, you guys, I forgot one thing that I'm going to insert in the video. Right underneath the bottom. See underneath the bottom? This tray comes out right underneath the bottom. This tray comes out, and this is where you'll put your cell phone, because you're going to download the app so you can be able to see the camera from the drone as you fly. So this comes out the bottom, and you put your cell phone in here. And then also at the top, if you look, you got a flip button, a camera button, a speed. You got speed, and then I guess you could do turns. So you can press these buttons right here at the top, take a picture real quick, make it go faster or slower, or do some kind of spin. So you got other buttons right here at the top. I forgot those 2 things, so I just wanted to insert that into the video. Next up, we got the main event. let's bring this out. Look, I always like to do a little display for you guys. And you know, this mimics the Maverick, the DJI Maverick. This mimics that. So you bring that out like so. I bring this one out first. So once you open it up, there's a little paper. Take that off. We're gonna pop that off. Put all that outside. So that's how it looks right there when it's out. Those are your helicopters right there. And then basically the way these go is these, if I'm not mistaken. These come underneath the bottom. And they actually just clip. Yeah, here it is. Just clip on like that. Oh yeah, here we go. See, if you look, it's a little hook right there. So what you want to do is just put that back on the hook. Boom, you hear it click. Same thing with this, you put it on the back of the hook. Boom, click it in. And these are the bumpers, Joe, in case you run into stuff you won't. It'll keep you from damaging the actual drone. So you just put these in place like that. Clip on. And then these are your bumpers. Make sure they clip too. This one I don't think I clipped it. There you go. So now that's how it looks as you fly. Here's your power button here. Here's your camera here. Your HD camera. And right here on the back, here's your battery right here. This is basically what you charge up right here. There's your charging battery. And then you got the here's the little plug right here for your USB cable. So basically you just plug that into there, and then you just plug this to any, you know, USB block, and then just plug it in, and then that charges that up right there. And then the battery goes right in there. And then that's basically it. That's the whole setup. And then after that, you just basically learn how to fly this baby. There's the whole 9 yards, your battery. And then you got the other extra accessories there, your screwdriver. And make sure you definitely check out the instruction manual. So this is the whole 9 yards right here. The whole setup. Like I said, make sure you guys definitely check out the link in the description. I've got, I think, how many more of these? Got 4 more of these. I got 4 more of these, so definitely make sure you guys check them out. I got 4 more of these ready to go. The link is in the description. You get a special little percentage off on that link. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll check you on the next one. Peace.